Water resources. You know that about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Out of the total amount of water present on the Earth's surface, only about 3% is fresh water. About 2/3 of this fresh water remains frozen in the ice caps and glaciers. Only about 1% of this fresh water available on the Earth's surface is fit for human use. Therefore, fresh water is the most precious natural resource. Water scarcity has become a serious problem in the world. Most of the countries of Africa, West Asia, Australia, Western USA, and parts of South America face acute water shortage. Unexpected rise in population growth has increased the demand for fresh water manifold. Water shortage is also caused by misuse, over-exploitation, and contamination of water resources. Conservation of water resources. This is high time that we think over the issue of shortage of fresh water seriously and take proper and immediate steps to conserve it. This can be done by adopting the following measures. Water pollution is one of the main factors responsible for the shortage of water. Water is polluted by industries which discharge their waste products such as nitrates, metals, and pesticides into water. This can be controlled by treating the impurities before releasing them into water bodies. During the rainy season, rainwater should be collected and stored for use during dry periods. This practice is called rainwater harvesting. Sprinklers can be effectively used to irrigate the fields using less quantity of water. More trees should be planted, as trees reduce surface runoff and recharge groundwater storage. Chapter 15. Land, Soil, and Water. Our Earth's surface is made up of land and water. About 71% of the surface of the Earth is covered with water, and the remaining 29% is land. Land is one of the most important resources. All parts of the land surface are not useful or inhabitable. Therefore, the distribution of population is highly uneven. About 90% of the world's population occupies only 30% of the land area. The areas which have steep slopes, marshlands, deserts with extreme hot or cold climate, and thick forests are generally uninhabited or sparsely populated. In contrast, the plains and river valleys, which have suitable climatic conditions and fertile soil, are densely populated. Pattern of land use. Land is used for different purposes, such as cultivation, grazing, mining, setting up of industries, settlements, and so on. Land use depends upon various physical, economic, and human factors. Some of these factors are relief, climate, soil, land tenure, technical know-how of the people, and duration of any particular occupation carried out in a certain area. The slope of the land, climatic conditions, the quality and thickness of soil cover, the nature of rocks and minerals, the availability of water, helping in deciding the land use in a particular area. Moreover, the lifestyle of the people, the location of a place, and its accessibility with other regions also affect land use. It can also be modified by the construction of new roads and railways in a particular area. The total amount of land available on the Earth's surface is limited. However, the number of people and their demand